The secret to authentic Italian Saltimbocca, a family recipe revealed. Imagine sinking your teeth into a tender, juicy chicken breast wrapped in a delicate layer of prosciutto and melted mozzarella cheese, all served atop a bed of your favorite pasta. Sounds like a taste of Italy, right? For Rocco Mosca, owner of Bella Vita Italian Kitchen in Sarasota, Florida, this dish is more than just a menu item. It's a family tradition. Rocco's Saltimbocca recipe comes straight from his grandmother, Nonna Phylis Scalzo, and it's a game changer. But here's where it gets interesting. The key to this dish lies not in the ingredients, but in the technique. It's all about creating a delicate balance of flavors and textures that will leave you wanting more. So what makes Rocco's Saltimbocca so special? For starters, it begins with a chicken breast that's been pounded and thinned to perfection. This is the base of the dish, and it's essential to get it right. Next, you'll need to dredge the chicken in flour, which helps to create a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Now here's where things get really interesting. Rocco adds a mixture of chicken stock, white wine, garlic, and mushrooms to the pan, which creates a rich, savory sauce. But the real magic happens when he adds the prosciutto and mozzarella cheese. The combination of salty, crispy prosciutto and melted gooey cheese is absolute perfection. But don't just take our word for it. Try it for yourself. Here's Rocco's secret recipe. Ingredients: 7 to 8 ounces chicken breast, pounded and thinned. 12 ounces chicken stock. 1 tablespoon garlic. 6 ounces white wine. 4 ounces mushrooms, sliced. 4 slices of tomato. 4 ounces mozzarella, 2 teaspoons butter, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons flour for dredging and thickening the sauce. Pasta of your choice. Directions: 1. Heat oil in a saucepan over high heat, enough to cover the bottom of the pan. 2. Dredge the chicken breast in flour, then place it in the saucepan. 3. Cook for 1 minute, then flip the chicken over. 4. Add the mushrooms, chicken stock, wine, and garlic to the pan. 5. Bring the mixture to a boil, then add the butter. 6. Place the tomato slices over the chicken, followed by the prosciutto and mozzarella cheese. 7. Finish the dish in the oven at 500 degrees, just long enough to melt the cheese and crisp the prosciutto. 8. Serve over your favorite pasta and enjoy. And this is the part most people miss: the importance of using high-quality ingredients. Rocco's recipe is all about creating a delicate balance of flavors, and using subpar ingredients can throw off the entire dish. So what do you think? Are you ready to try Rocco's secret Saltimbocca recipe for yourself? Do you have a favorite Italian dish that you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try adding your own twist to Rocco's recipe? Maybe you could substitute the chicken with veal or pork, or add some fresh herbs to the sauce. The possibilities are endless, and we'd love to hear about your creations.